to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Ana Cristina Bibutlik. I am from Philippines and I am 32 years of age and I have one daughter. She's already 12 years old now and I am married and I am here because I am interested for the nanny position I am applying for.
Okay, yes. So do you have any work experience in abroad?
As of now, I am first timer, but I have an experience here in the Philippines as a nanny. I care about 3 and 5 years old, a boy and a girl, and I know how to clean the house, laundry and cooking, um, taking good care of them every day, and bathing and so on.
Yes, and the same time you all around housemaid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So then okay, of course, you said that you are a nanny, so then you're capable to taking care of a newborn baby
Yes,
or
of
young
course.
child.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Can you tell me how the way you taking care of a newborn or young child?
As young child, of course, I have to take a bath of them every day and change their clothes and see to it that they are always clean all the time. And sometimes I do like playing with them.
Okay, yes. Baby is very
Yes.
sensitive. You have to
Of course.
focus every time. So
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to take good care of a young child, and you have to playing with them, tutoring with them, or you have to give a storybook with
Yes,
them.
ma'am.
And of course, we have a lot of patience how to deal with a young child.
Yes.
Okay, yes. For example, if the baby is crying, so what will you do?
Of course, I will do some to make them comfortable. I will maybe I will sing a song for them, and of course, I will find a way so that they can cry anymore.
Yes, that if it's still crying, so you have to
Lullaby something. Yes, of
Mhm.
course, lullaby.
maybe you have to check the body temperature
Yes,
also.
like the body also.
Yes, if that get high body temperature, so what will you do?
Um, get the temperature, call the
Mhm.
doctor, of course, and
Mhm.
go to the nearest clinic or hospital.
Yes, and to inform immediately to
Yes.
your employer also.
Yes.
And of course, necessary you rush to the hospital or you have to give a first aid.
First aid. First aid rather. First aid.
Okay, can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, thank you very much about that. So then, why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, it's because I know the Hong Kong is very like it's
Nice country,
nice
of
country,
course.
of course, and I know I want to experience international home care and know about their culture as well. And I know there's a lot of Filipinos working in there, and I want to be one of them, of course.
Yes, Hong Kong is very nice country, and of course, they offer a high salary
High
also
salary.
for the Filipino domestic workers. Okay, yes. So then, if you luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, thank you so much for having me, and I hope I am very excited to see you soon.
Yes, and to promise
To
that.
promise that I will do take good care of the things that I need to do, and I will assuredly do it very well, and I will do my best, of course.
Yes, to love their family as your own family.
Oh yes, ma'am.
And of course, Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So then, if your employer requests that Saturday, Sunday holiday, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back for overtime pay. So, yes, you can earn more if no holidays, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot involve any bank finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.